We will be doing a live reading today. I behave as if wronged, yet I am also static. I grow in maturity while living for impulse and contrarianism, pushing people away before learning to understand them, speaking out of turn to say things I don't mean or comprehend. I know a brain exists, but the intelligence is of a kind not expected by those around me. In that, I am forced to live in chains of my own making as an eternal outsider. Time moves too slowly to see the chance to switch lanes. Indeed, I am not the pilot. Is this why I have given myself another name? Commentary. Due to daily time constraints, this dialogue was written in place of the original prompt, which involved the full set of dice. All traces of what this prompt was have been erased. As far as this book is concerned, it was never made.